friends, welcome back to TEK Solutions. Have you observed your desktop recently if your Windows 10 has updated? Any changes, anything new addition to your desktop? If not, let me tell you, recently Windows 10 has added a feature of having this news widget on a taskbar. So if you just hover over on it, it will open the weather and latest news for you. Personally asking, I like this because on a hover over I can easily check my weather and the top stories, but some people don't like it. It's annoying. So I'll tell you how to remove that in today's video. For that, go to your taskbar and right click your taskbar, go to news and interest and just simply turn it off. That's it, it's gone. Now if you want to bring it back, this news and interest, show icon and text. So again it will show us this widget back. But if you just want to show only icon, you can just simply show icon only. And there is another setting for this one. Let me turn it on. That setting is you can reduce the taskbar updates. So for example, if you are working and this widget gets updated frequently, so to reduce the taskbar updates, we can use this. So this is how you can just turn it on and turn it off by simply right clicking it. If your Windows is still not updated with the latest updates, you won't find this option news and interest if you right click on your taskbar. So that's it from this video, friends. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you.